Chapter 6 Fundamentals of HTML. Let's know about HTML document structure, container elements, HTML tag structure, logical and physical text styles, special characters, where to write HTML code, empty elements, basic HTML tags, subscript and superscript. HTML Hypertext Markup Language is a language in which you can make web pages on the internet with the help of the web browser. It is a document layout and hyperlink specification language, that is, a language used to design the layout of a document and to specify the hyperlink. HTML tells the browser how to display the contents of a hypertext document, that is, a document including text, images, and other support media. HTML is made up of tags and attributes. Tag. A tag is a coded HTML command that indicates how part of web page should be displayed. All HTML tags are contained with angle brackets. For example, head is a tag. Similarly, h1 is a tag. Attribute. An attribute is a special word used inside tag to specify additional information to tag such as color, alignment, etc. No more. HTML was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. HTML document structure. A general format of an HTML document is illustrated below. HTML. This tag identifies the document as an HTML document. An HTML document begins with HTML and ends with HTML. Head. The head tag contains information about the document, including its title and document description. The head tag is entered between HTML tags. Title. This tag contains the document title. The title specified inside title tag appears on the browser's title bar. Body. The body tag encloses all the tags, attributes, and information to be displayed in the web page. The body tag is entered below the closing head tag and above the closing HTML tag. Where to write HTML code? Open text editor, Notepad in case of Windows operating system. Type the HTML code in it. Save the file with extension .html/.htm. To view the created HTML file in browser, double-click on the file. Container elements. HTML container elements require a starting as well as an ending tag. Some examples of container elements are empty elements. HTML empty elements require just a starting tag and not an ending tag. Some examples of empty elements are no more. You can type HTML in capital letters as well as in small letters. HTML tag structure. Every HTML tag consists of a tag name, sometimes followed by an optional list of attributes, all placed between opening and closing angle brackets. A tag attribute's value, if any, is given after the equals sign, in quotes generally after the attribute name. For example, some examples of HTML tags with attributes are basic HTML tags. HTML tag. The HTML and HTML tags are used to mark the beginning and end of an HTML document. It does not have any effect on appearance of document. It is used to make browsers and other programs know that this is an HTML document. Attributes of HTML tag. dir attribute. This attribute can have values either itr left to right or rtl right to left. Lang attribute. This attribute of HTML tag specifies the language you have generally used within the document. To specify base language of web page, the lang attribute is used. For example, en is used to specify English language and fr is used to specify French language. For example, HTML lang equal to en. HTML tag. Type, container element, function, delimits a complete HTML document. Attributes, dir, lang. Contains head tag, body tag. Head tag. The head tag is used to define the document header. Head tag contains information about the document, including its title and document description. Head tag. Type, container element, function, defines the document header, contains title tag. Title tag. The title tag is used to define the document's title. Title tag. Type, container element, function, defines the document title. Used inside head tags. Problem. To display the web page title as my first HTML page. HTML, head, title, my first HTML page. Head, body HTML. Body tag. The body tag defines the document's body. It contains all the contents of an HTML document such as text, images, list, table, etc. Attributes of body tag. Background attribute. This attribute allows you to include a background image. Body background, pic.jpg. This above statement will set pic.jpg image as background of the body of web page. Background color, text color, link color. By default, browsers display text in black. If you want to change, then you can change the color of text by text attribute, color of links by link attribute, color of active links by a link attribute, and background color by bg color attribute. Consider the following. Body bg color equal to teal text equal to magenta link equal to yellow a link equal to red. The background color is teal, bg color equal to teal. Text color is magenta, text equal to magenta. Links that have not been visited recently are made yellow, link equal to yellow. Links that are currently being clicked on, a link equal to red. Problem. To make the background appear black, text lime, links purple, and recently visited links red. Setting left and top margins. The margin refers to the blank area left from the edge of page. If you want to leave some blank area in the left side, you can use left margin attribute as follows. Body left margin equal to value. The value is the number of pixels. 72 pixels make an inch to be left blank. For example, body left margin equal to 60. If you want to set the top margin, that is distance from the top edge, you can use top margin attribute. For example, body top margin equal to 70. This will make the body text appear 70 pixels away from top edge of the page. Problem. To make body text appear 60 pixels away from the top edge of page and 75 pixels away from left edge of page. Heading in HTML. H1 to H6 tags. HTML has 6 levels of headings, numbered 1 through 6, with 1 being the largest. Headings are typically displayed in larger or bolder fonts than normal body text. Attribute of heading tag. Align attribute. This attribute is used to set the alignment of heading. It can take either left, right, or center as its value. Problem. To display multiple headings in multiple forms using H1 to H6 tags. Paragraph tag. To start a new paragraph, P tag is used. It is a container tag. No more. Do not use empty paragraph, that is, to add extra space in your web pages. The browser may ignore the empty paragraph since it is logical tag. Attribute of P tag. Align attribute. This attribute is used to set the alignment of paragraph. It can take either left, right, or center as its value. Problem. To display text with line and paragraph breaks. BR tag. To end one line and to jump to the next, BR tag is used. Center tag. To centralize a segment of text, just type the text between center and center. For example, the code center, this is centralized, center will be text. This is centralized, appears centralized on browser window. HR, horizontal rules tag. The HR tag produces a horizontal line spread across the width of the browser window. Attributes of HR tag. Size attribute. This attribute allows you to set the size of the horizontal rule. Problem. To display horizontal rules of various sizes. Width attribute. The length of horizontal rules can be controlled with width attribute. Problem. To display horizontal rules of different widths. Font tag. It lets you change the size, style, and color of the text. It is generally used for changing the appearance of a short segment of text. Attributes of font tag. Size attribute. It is used to specify the size of the text. Color attribute. It is used to change the color of text. Face attribute. It is used to change the way of displaying text. Problem. To display a paragraph in red color in size 4, but its first letter should be of size 7 and of blue color. HTML is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Hypertext markup language HTML is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Comments. Comments are one type of textual content which appear in your HTML code but are not rendered by user's browser. Comments are given between special characters, exclamation and greater than. Browsers ignore the text between comment characters. Logical and physical text styles. HTML has two types of styles for individual words or sentences. Logical text styles, physical text styles. Logical text styles. Logical styles render the text according to its meaning. For example, EM is for emphasizing something and strong is for strongly emphasizing something. Various logical styles are DFN, for a word being defined, typically displayed in italics. EM, for emphasize, typically displayed in italics. CITE, cite, for titles of books, films, etc., typically displayed in italics. Strong, for strong emphasize, typically displayed in bold. All above mentioned tags are container elements. Physical text styles. It indicates the specific type of appearance for a section, for example bold, italics, etc. Various physical text styles are B. Bold text, I. Italic text, U. Underline text. All above mentioned tags are container elements. Subscript and superscript. To write something like H2O, you can write it as. Similarly, to write something like x to the power 2, you can write it as special characters. The left angle bracket, the right angle bracket, and the ampersand have special meaning in HTML and therefore cannot be used in normal text. To use one of the three characters in an HTML document, you must enter its escape sequence instead as illustrated below. And it. The escape sequence for less than, and GT, the escape sequence for greater than, and AMP, the escape sequence for and problem to display special characters. Quick review. HTML is a document layout and hyperlink specification language. HTML is made up of tags and attributes. All HTML tags are contained with angle brackets. The head tag contains information about the document, including its title and document description. The title specified inside title tag appears on the browser's title bar. The body tag encloses all the tags, attributes, and information to be displayed in the web page. HTML container elements require a starting as well as an ending tag. HTML empty elements require just a starting tag and not an ending tag.